Me and Shakira are off today down to, we're here in Blacks Harbour. Walk along the trail to go down to where the lighthouse is there in Blacks Harbour, to where it's sitting on a little island there, and you can get out to it on when it's low tide. So here's my little baby Shakira right there. This is a nice trail here we're walking on. But it's a beautiful morning here. I'm here at, it is 8:20, or 9:20. It is 9:20 in the morning, and it's a beautiful sunny morning and nice and warm, not too hot, just comfortable. And it's supposed to be low tide right now, so you should be able to get over to that, cross over to that island and over to the lighthouse there and get some good video of the area and the trail along here. And I'll get some video on the drone there too of the area.